Hey guys, it's been forever since I've made a video. And guess which one it's gonna be? A sizing up video. I'm right now at a 4. No, lie. 2. I'm at a 2. I'm going to go to a 0. I googled probably like a week ago, like, what is the no point of return size, where it's like, oh, if you take it out, you let it shrink up, it'll go back to normal. That was at a 4, bro. So I'm already past the no point of return. So I'm like, okay, let me just keep going. I'm not gonna get to like a size like this. That would be too damn big. But that's what the damn thing is. So I'm gonna size up my ears right now. And I'm just doing it in my room because why the fuck not? There we go. There's one. You see? It's like, it's not that bad. So, I know there was one day I left them out. Because obviously I clean them in the shower. So I left out my plugs and I forgot to put them back in. And I thought they were gonna like close up real soon, but they didn't. So that was really pleasing because it's been a while. I have to look back at my dates of when I started doing this, but I feel like it's been forever. So I didn't want it to shrink down a size where I'm gonna have to go through the whole sizing up process again. So ooh, buddy. Why does this feels like I feel like this one's gonna be a doozy. This one's sure gonna be a doozy. I feel like all the other sizes were easier. I don't know, I guess this is a big jump. Let me see if I try using this one. Because I have different ones. Let me see if using this one would be easier. I don't know. I don't know. I'll get back to this video. I tried to stretch my ears. I sized back down to the size before because it was just hurting way too much, and it's not supposed to hurt when you stretch. So I'm deciding from a 2, I'm gonna go to a 1. So you can order half sizes on some websites, like Amazon has them. What is it? Urban Body something? Anyways, I'm gonna get a size 1, and then I'll be able to size to a 0. So I'm gonna start getting the in-between sizes, so then it's easier for me to stretch my ears. But I'm just gonna show you the jewelry of a size 0 that I do have. Because once I get to a size 0, like, I'm gonna be there for the amount that I had these, which was like 5 months. So I like to have a little jewelry so I can spice it up every now and then. Okay, but the ones that I really find are cool are the spirals. Acrylic spirals. Which I figure were going to be easier if I wanted to size up my ears. But then I'm just like, you know what? If it's hurting, I shouldn't do it. These were clearly the tunnels that I used. So now when I size up to these ones again, I'm going to wash them, all that good stuff, and then use these again. I had those acrylic ones. I have these stainless steel plugs. No, tapers. My bad, sorry. These, I don't know. I'm a little iffy about them because if you can see, they are, it's like, they're not completely straight. They have that little bump here. So it's like straight, a bump, and then big. So it's like, I don't like how that it's like so abrupt when it comes to the sizing. So, but I like these. These are cute. But I have those. I have these plugs. Size 0. They're little tunnels. I have these plugs. Just cute little plugs. Also have these plugs. I guess it matches the whole like pink vibe. And then I have these cute double flared heart tunnels. I don't think I'm going to use these because since they are double flared, that means I'm going to have to, when it comes to double flares, you have to size up in order to fit these sizes. So I'm going to hold on to these until I want to size up, and then I'll use these occasionally every now and then. But that's the whole set I have. So this was going to be a size up video, but it just turned into a failed attempt because I don't want to have a blowout, so I'd rather just chill out on that and order a size 1. So I went from a 2 to a 1, and then gonna be a 0. So that's your information. Also, I use jojoba oil all the time. Probably gonna get some more. Maybe not. I'm only about here. That's not bad. I thought I had less. But anyways, that's the only oil I use. And gonna use this set when I am able to from sizing up from a 1. So, bye.